Have you ever dreamed of making money while you sleep? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to the world of passive income, a pathway to financial freedom that doesn't require your active involvement once the initial legwork is done. Let me start by explaining what passive income is. It's essentially money you earn in a way that requires little to no daily effort to maintain. Sounds ideal, right? However, the journey isn't without its hurdles. Many beginners struggle with knowing where to start, what options are viable, and how to set up these income streams effectively. So let's dive into some of the most accessible passive income avenues. First up, affiliate marketing. You promote others' products and earn a commission for sales made through your link. Then there's rental properties, a classic choice where you earn by renting out property. And let's not forget online courses. Create a course once and sell it to thousands without any extra effort. But here's the crucial part: setting up systems and automation. This is what makes your income truly autopilot. It's about using tools and technology to manage your income streams without your daily involvement. To wrap up, remember the key to successful passive income is consistency and persistence. Start small, learn as you go, and gradually build up your portfolio. If you're eager to learn more and start building your own streams of passive income, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your journey towards financial freedom.